problems with the UKCC's case is they've redacted almost all the evidence on which they relied upon to make a finding that competition has been lessened. Now, if you go back in the history of this case, but I don't want to dwell on it because it's not for today, the European Commission has prohibited us our third offer for Aer Lingus solely on the basis that competition has intensified between Aer Lingus and Ryanair over the last 5 years. The UKCC comes along 3 months later and says, sorry old chap, I think you'll have to sell down because competition has lessened in the last 5 years. Well, make up your mind, it has to be one or the other. And actually, if you look at today's announcement, is there any indication of lessening competition between Ryanair and Aer Lingus? I think not. I think if you call your friends in Aer Lingus, they'll be squealing about more competition and da-da-da-da-da, as has always been the case. But look, it's a legal issue, it's a regulatory issue. You know, it's still, now that AG and an Olympics merger has been approved by the European Union, the Ryanair Aer Lingus case is still the only case in the history of the European Union where an airline merger has been prohibited. But it is what it is. It's no longer central to our operation. We're going to continue to grow strongly out of Ireland. We're going to continue to grow strongly across Europe. And if Aer Lingus happens, it happens. And if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen.